Hey everybody, so I've got a Powrig DC adapter for the Sigma FP. One thing I like about it is that it's got a polarity indicator, which is really nice. So there we go, plugged in, green means go. Pop that bad boy in there, easy peasy. And voila, success. Really nice unit. I metered it with 16 volts coming out of the battery. I was getting 8.4 volts out of the adapter. This battery should power this camera for days. Yeah, pretty simple. I like that there's no little hump in the middle. All of the electronics are built into the dummy battery itself. So yeah, nice little product. Thank you so much, Powrig. Much appreciated.